let's talk about the currency. Good going on opening moves, although that 61 tick is back for the rupee right now. Manisha joins in with more details. Manisha?
Thank you for that, Ayesha. As you rightly pointed out, we did open on a very strong note of 60.80 there, but we seem to have come down 20 paisa from those kind of levels. It still is trading at around 4-month highs, holding just about that 61 mark. The important point to note out is that you are looking at very strong fundamentals coming in from all sides for the currency right now. Of course, it is the state elections where BJP has gained by 4-0 is something that has brought in the euphoria. You have seen all the asset classes in the Indian markets gain up on the stronger note. The record highs on Nifty and Sensex is something that of course is putting the rupee on the higher side. You also have seen strong dollar sales coming in from exporters and bankers. Also, rupee has been gaining for last 3 weeks now. You saw the rupee gain up by 1.6% in the previous week, and we seem to be holding those gains, and you have seen follow-through buying coming in for the currency as well. So bullish bets have continued for the 4th straight week coming in for the currency there. Having said that, you also are getting support from the international markets where the US dollar index also is trading on the weaker side. The support coming in from that fact as well. Having said that, you have the Fed speech from the presidents today in the evening. So a bit of a tapering overhang is still into the markets, and that perhaps is something that's weighing onto the prices at this point in time.
Okay, Manisha, leave it at that. 61 back on the Nifty, or rather the rupee, I beg your pardon, but the Nifty is staying put at that 6400 mark. 64.15 on the index, that's the pre-open rate. The Sensex holding an uptick of about 2%, and the SGX Nifty is still going strong, a near 3% notch up. In fact, let's also bring on board Jamal McLeod to talk about the strength that we're seeing in the rupee. Jamal, hi, morning. Are the markets as well cheering the state election outcome, the currency market that is?
Good morning.
Jamal, I was talking about the reaction that we're seeing in the currency right now. Is that too a reaction of the state election outcome?
Well, I think that's pretty clear, right? It's been a great weekend, the truth is, I was thinking about it, that people, historically, people said you needed a GDP per capita of about $5,000 to start looking for fundamental change. Now, I think with technology, et cetera, that's accelerated. And what's great is the people of Delhi, throwing the Congress out is clear. BJP has done very well. And a lot of markets are jumping on that. But I think the real story is, of course, what the people of Delhi have done. The Aam Aadmi Party is the future, or at least cleaner politics and ultimately clean politics is the future. And if that gets sustained, as I believe it will, that takes, that's good for 2-3 percentage points of growth easily.
Jamal, but some would argue that's hope against hope. Aam Aadmi coming back, that party having an impact on the national GDP, that's a stretch.
See, Babu, Aam Aadmi will not run the government for 10 years, right? There will be an election, the BJP will come in. There will be another election, the BJP will come in. Aam Aadmi will be growing as an opposition. You can't run a country in a year. You have to learn how to do it, right? But their very presence is going to start demanding cleaner people in politics. I haven't done the numbers, but I'm very curious, right? In the state elections, amongst the winners, let's talk about the BJP. I don't know still how many people with criminal records are in there. They should be there, right? Now, once that starts happening, then you have a real game. Now, it doesn't happen overnight, right? This rally is BJP driven, no question about it, right? But I think if you look at the papers, you look at everybody's sentiment, look at your own personal sentiment, right? Everybody is really excited about something new, finally.